The new program page allows you to capture all data related to a program and to build the program using modules entered previously. It's broken into a number of logically ordered collapsible blocks. The first block allows you to input some basic details for the program. Most of these fields are mandatory and will need to be completed before your program record can be saved. There are 3 free text areas in which you can add relevant information about the program description, progression details, and accreditation status. In order to start actually building the content of your program, you need to start adding modules. After selecting a module, its position is determined by selecting a year and term within that year. For modules that run across multiple terms, you can indicate the distribution by dividing the credits for that module proportionally across the terms. If a module is optional, this should be indicated along with an option group. An option group is any group of modules that a student must make a selection from. Distinct module groups should be given a unique label from the drop-down. You also need to indicate how many modules a student is required to select from the option group. As you add programs to your module, they'll populate tables in the program content section below. The second step in building your program is to make any associations required between option groups. For example, if a student, after choosing modules from Group A, can only then choose subsequent modules from Group B and not C, this can be indicated here by associating Groups A and B. Associating option module groups together is a convenient way of building subject streams into a program. Between specifying option groups and then linking these option groups in different combinations, there's quite a lot of flexibility to build quite complex program structures. Next, you can add program level intended learning outcomes. You may choose to forgo these as you have already established module level learning outcomes and your program, after all, is built from modules. However, they do offer an additional level of structure that you may find useful. If you have added program level intended learning outcomes, then you can link these in the ILO attribution section directly back to modules in your program. This allows you to explicitly state which modules contribute towards achieving a particular program level intended learning outcome. When you finish building your program and adding program data, simply click Save and you'll be returned to the program list page, which will contain the program you've just added.